Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. For silver, we can still count a 1-2 setup here on the chart. In the end, price is just doing what we want it to do at the moment. We talked about the potential here for a deeper pullback. We haven't even reached the support zone. We don't need to get there. Yeah, it can turn around earlier, and it could very well be turning around already to rally in a third wave to $30 and above. My preferred count is obviously that we turned around here in March of a local downtrend into an uptrend, yeah, and that we have here our wave one and then come down in ABC structure. So we've been talking about that for many days now, or even a few weeks. That there was a potential this was just a high B wave, and that as soon as we break above that sort of $26 level, we could be in a third of a third rally. So basically a very, very bullish rally. But before that, we need to look at a deeper pullback, and it actually can be counted quite nicely here to the downside. Yeah. I can count a nice 5-wave move down complete. It's possible, okay? And at present, a lot of people are turning bearish on silver, and I've seen quite a few bearish TA videos and read a few bearish written analysis really. But to be honest, for everybody who's turning bearish at the moment, let me tell you that this is probably one of the best setups I've seen to the upside in a long time in silver, in the metals in general. So even if you are bearish, maybe just consider the option for bullish potential here, because we have a nice uptrend. I mean, I can zoom out even further. We have a very nice uptrend, and typically in an uptrend, the best setups are pullbacks, yeah, deep pullbacks. And this is quite a deep pullback, similar to what we had here, where a lot of people turned bearish, okay? But yeah, it turned out bullish. So even this could turn bearish, but I would not get bearish before we break below $21.16. So at the moment, price is purely doing what we want price to do. Now that we can count 5 waves down complete, does it mean the low is in? It could be. And by the way, we reacted nicely here to that 1-to-1 ratio level. Yeah. So let me just show you that. We talked about that. Off the high, yeah, you measure the length of the A wave, you go to the high of the B wave, and the 100% extension was here. So price briefly fell below it, but recovered. So that's a typical target. Oh, not the 1-to-1 ratio, the 1.618 extension. That's a typical target for a C wave. But we haven't reached standard support for wave 2 yet. So see, I could count 5 waves down complete in a C wave and say, okay, we probably bottomed. That's the potential. However, because the rally of the lows is corrective at this stage, yeah, it is correct. I don't see an impulse. I would rather prefer to see one more low. Yeah, it's possible you can count it that way as well. That this here is now the wave 4. We bottomed here in a third wave. This is a 4. So let me just, and then we can talk about targets for that 4 as well. Because both are possible. I'm generally bullish at the moment, as long as 21.16 is holding down there. So either way, one more low, or we have already bottomed here, because this can be counted as a 5-wave move itself. And had we now seen a nice impulse, I would have said we've bottomed. And if price shows me a nice impulse now, I'd say we've bottomed, but it doesn't show me that at this stage. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 3 is, in my opinion, the more likely option at this stage. That wave count now allows us to count, or to get an idea of where wave 4 in orange might go to. So for that, we measure the retracements, resistance for wave 4. I need to add the 23.6 fib level for that as well. And then we're looking at the area. So let's zoom that, move that over. We are looking at the area between $23.90, the 23.6 fib level. We already reached it, okay? This could be over. Then the 38.2 would be the ideal target. That's at 24.30. And the 50% fib level at roughly 24.60. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. These are the levels. And above 24.60, okay, we would turn more bullish because then it is stronger than a wave 4 should be. But at the moment, it's just doing what a wave 4 normally does. So it's corrective. And let's see, because we could say, let's see, do we have any Fibonacci relationships here? Yeah, so could say we rallied here in an A wave. This was a B wave low, and we reached a 1-to-1 ratio, 100% extension. So that could be in, the top could be in. If we now see a break below the B wave low at 23.50, then I think we are in the fifth wave. If we suddenly see an impulsive rally above 24.60, it's bullish. But until then, I expect one more low, but overall have a bullish outlook as long as 21.16 is holding. Okay, that's my update about silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.